Good evening, guys. I'm here to show you how to use the new Chamberlain clicker garage door opener motor remote. Alright, first thing you want to do to set this thing, pull that down. Then you hit the little black button right there. Push it in. Push it in until you see the blue light. There it comes. There it is. Alright, go up here to our garage door motor. Push the yellow button in. There you go. And you start to click these right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 clicks for the new 2024 Chamberlain. Then you hit that black button one time, and that's it. Now all you have to do is push your button. Push it once again. And you guys are all set. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.